Today I will show you how to download, install and use Rainmeter in Windows 11. And most importantly, I will show you how to get new Rainmeter skins. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITBK and let's get started. Open up any browser in your computer and search for Rainmeter. Just go to first official website that says rainmeter.net. On the website, click on the download button. This will quickly download Rainmeter in your PC. Once downloaded, click on the exe file for the quick installation. Select your preferred language and click OK. Here we want to proceed with the recommended installation, that is standard installation. Click Next and then click Install. Yes. After installation, click the Finish button. You will see some default widgets appear on your desktop. These widgets are usually called skins. Now let's quickly see how we can unload it. On the right bottom of your desktop, click on the arrow icon and then click on Rainmeter icon. On the left bar of Rainmeter, you will see Illustro. Just expand this menu and here you will see clock. If you expand the clock menu and want to remove this clock skin here, just click on clock INI and click on unload. You see clock is gone from here. Now let's do one by one. Here, if I go to one disk INI, you will see your disk widget also here. If you want to unload it, just go ahead and unload them one by one. Now I don't have any widgets or skin showing on my desktop. So this was all about load and unload. Now let's see how we can get amazing skins. Again, go to your browser and type visual skins. Make sure you are going to the official Rainmeter skins that says visualskins.com. On this page, we have multiple skins showing here. Let's download one of them. Once the skin downloaded, we want to install it. Double click on the skin file and here click on install. This will quickly install skin into your Rainmeter, and once the installation done, you could see my desktop is showing a lot of widgets here. Now let me go to Rainmeter again because this skin is showing a lot of things on my screen. Let me expand the Avenger skin and unload the one I don't want. Rainmeter lets you customize your desktop using skins. These skins can show time, system uses, weather, and many other things. You can mix and match different screens to create your own setup. So at this point, we have successfully downloaded and installed Rainmeter, how to load, unload widgets, and how to add new amazing skins. So that's it about today's quick video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.